Hey kids, welcome back to English class. In our previous class, we learned the poem Sea Song. Now today, let's discuss the textual exercises from this lesson. So let's begin. The first textual exercise included in the lesson is Reading is Fun. In this section, there are 3 comprehension questions. Now let's try to answer these questions, children. The first question here is, where did the child find the seashell? The answer for this question is, the child found the seashell lying on the sand at the seashore. The second question is, what did the child do with the shell? Here the answer is, the child picked up the seashell and took it home. The third and the last question is, what did the child hear? The answer for this question is, the child heard a soft, sweet, and clear song coming from the shell. Children, now that we have completed this exercise, let's find out our next task, which is word building. Pick the rhyming words from this box and pair them in the spaces below. The first one has been done for you. As you can see here, children, here is a blue box, and there are many pairs of rhyming words here. Your task here is to look for the rhyming words and then pair them and write down in the space that is provided here. Before we begin this exercise, I would like to tell you what rhyming words are. Rhyming words are words that begin with a different sound, but they end with the same sound or a similar sound. Now let's begin, children. The first pair of rhyming words is already given here. The word that rhymes with found is sound. Now let's look for the rhyming word for the word cold. The word that rhymes with the word cold is bold. Next, let's take up the word took. And the word that rhymes with it is look. Then we have the word sand. And the word that rhymes with sand is hand. The last word here is mummy. And the word that rhymes with mummy is tummy. This exercise is over, children. The second activity included under the section word building is fill in the blanks with the opposite word, choosing from the box below. The first one is done for you. Here in this box, you will find the opposites or antonyms of the words that are given here. Children, let's begin the hunt. The opposite of the word found is already given. It is lost. The second word here is hard and its opposite is soft. The next word is inside and its opposite is outside. Next, we have the word took and its antonym is gave. Children, you all know that the opposite of big is small. For the word came, the antonym is went. A few more words are given in the next page of your textbook. Here, the first word is pick, and the opposite of pick is drop. The next word here is true, and its antonym is false. Then we have the word curly, and its opposite or antonym is straight. Next, we have the word cold, and its antonym is hot. Then here is the word sweet, and its antonym is bitter. And finally, we have the word tall, and its antonym is short. The next textual exercise is let's write. Children, this is a poetry comprehension. Given here is a short poem. After you read and understand this poem, you need to work on the exercise that is given here. First, let's read the poem. The title of the poem is The Sea is Big. The sea is big. It is very, very big. You cannot see the other side of the sea. You can cross the sea in a ship, but you must go for many, many days. Once again, the sea is big. The sea is big. It is very, very big. You cannot see the other side of the sea. You can cross the sea in a ship, but you must go for many, many days. Now let's complete these statements choosing the correct words. The sea is very, very dash. Here the answer is big. Second one, you cannot dash, hear or see the other side. In this blank, you can write see. The third statement is you dash can or cannot cross the sea. And the answer is you can cross the sea. The fourth one is you can cross it in a dash, bus or ship. You can cross it in a ship. The next section here is say aloud. Children, a tongue twister is given here. Now coming to the question, what a tongue twister is? A tongue twister is a sequence of words that are difficult to pronounce quickly and correctly. It can be because of alliteration or a slight variation of consonant sounds. Come on, children, let's read this tongue twister together. To begin with, you can practice the first part of this tongue twister, which is she sells seashells. After you get the hang of it, try practicing the second statement. She sells seashells on the seashore. Come on, children, let's read together. She sells seashells on the seashore. Once again, she sells seashells on the seashore. Now, if you are not able to pronounce quickly and correctly, do not worry. Keep practicing until you get the hang of it. Children, this might come as a surprise to you when I say that practicing tongue twisters will help you improve your pronunciation. You can look for other tongue twisters on the internet and keep practicing them. Now let's read the following and find out what sounds birds, phones, people, dogs, cows, cocks, bees, and children make. Children, the poem is titled Silence. Let's read. Birds sing, phones ring, people talk, dogs bark, cows moo, cocks crow, bees buzz, children hush. Next, we have a match the following exercise. Here, you need to match the phrases with the pictures that are given here. The first one has been done for you, a bird singing. The second one is a cow mooing. So draw an arrow to the cow, children. The third one is a phone ringing. The fourth phrase is a dog barking. And the fifth phrase is a cock crowing. I hope you have matched the phrases with the correct picture. Here we have come to the end of the lesson, Sea Song. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, children. Thank you for watching.